As you can see, these windows are heavily decayed, so they're a perfect job for 3C's two-part wood repair. Scrape away all the loose debris. Once you've done that, dust it off and make sure it's clean and dry. Then you can start to mix your two-part wood primer. Once this is mixed well, apply it in with a clean paintbrush, covering all the prepared areas. Now you're ready to start to mix your two-part epoxy resin wood repair. Apply component A and then apply component B. Continue to mix these together until you have one consistent colour. Then you can start to apply it, pressing small bits at a time, making sure you're filling the void with no cavities. Smooth it off the best you can, leave to dry, sand, and then it can be painted. For more information, visit 3csealants.co.uk.